Hey, fellow travelers.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of South America, Peru.
Whether you're gearing up for Machu Picchu, the Rainbow Mountain, or the vibrant streets of Lima, these travel tips will ensure you make the most of your Peruvian adventure. So, let's dive in. First and foremost, let's talk about altitude acclimatization. Peru's breathtaking landscapes come with high altitudes, especially in places like Cusco. Take it easy in the first few days to let your body adjust. Speaking of altitude, staying hydrated is crucial.
The dry air and high elevation can be challenging, so drink plenty of water to keep yourself feeling fresh and energized.
Peru's sun can be intense, so pack your sunscreen, wear a hat, and don't forget those stylish sunglasses to protect your eyes. Peru's weather can be as diverse as its landscapes, so pack layers. From the cool Andean nights to the warmer coastal regions, having versatile clothing will keep you comfortable. If you plan on exploring the ruins of Machu Picchu or tackling a hike to Rainbow Mountain, sturdy and comfortable footwear is a must. Your feet will thank you later. Peru is a culinary delight, so don't miss out on the chance to try local dishes. Ceviche, lomo saltado, and anticuchos are just a few of the mouth-watering options waiting for you. When it comes to shopping for souvenirs, bargaining is part of the game. Hit the local markets, engage with the vendors, and score some unique treasures. A little effort goes a long way. Learning basic Spanish phrases will
enhance your travel experience, but also endear you to the locals. Use local transportation. To truly immerse yourself in the Peruvian experience, opt for local transportation. Buses and colectivos not only save you money, but also provide a more authentic journey. Explore beyond tourist hotspots. While Machu Picchu and Rainbow Mountain are a must-visit, don't forget to explore beyond the tourist hotspots. The Amazon rainforest, Colca Canyon, and Huacachina Oasis are waiting to be discovered. Try street food. For a taste of local life, indulge in street food. Choose busy stalls for a safe and delicious experience. Tip 13. Bring cash. Cash is king in Peru, especially in smaller towns. Make sure to have some on hand for a seamless experience. Stay connected. Stay connected by getting a local SIM card. It's a small investment for the convenience of navigating through this beautiful country. Respect local customs. Be mindful of local customs, especially in rural areas. Respect the traditions and practices of the communities you visit. Stay in homestays for a more immersive cultural experience. Consider staying in homestays. It's a unique opportunity to connect with local families and learn about their way of life. Visit local markets. Local markets are windows into the soul of a place. Visit them to witness daily life, interact with locals, and pick up authentic souvenirs. Be cautious with street dogs. While many street dogs are friendly, exercise caution, especially if you're carrying food. Stay aware of altitude sickness symptoms. Altitude sickness is a real concern. Familiarize yourself with the symptoms and seek medical help if needed. It's better to be safe than sorry. Protect against mosquitoes. If you're heading into jungle areas, protect yourself from mosquitoes. Use insect repellent and wear long sleeves to avoid bites. Photography etiquette. Respect local privacy by asking for permission before taking photos of people, especially in indigenous communities. Responsible tourism practice. Responsible tourism by minimizing your environmental impact. Respect wildlife and follow sustainable travel practices. Be prepared for changing plans. Flexibility is key in Peru, where weather conditions or unexpected events may alter your plans. Embrace the spontaneity of travel. Keep important documents secure. Keep copies of your passport, tickets, and other important documents in a separate location. It's a simple precaution that can save you a lot of stress. Enjoy the journey. Lastly, savor the journey. Whether it's a scenic bus ride through the Andes or a leisurely stroll through historic streets, Peru's magic lies in the moments you create along the way. And there you have it. Travel tips to make your Peruvian adventure unforgettable. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, happy travels!